Design variation. To see what we're going to do here, let's start in eCADSTAR PCB editor. We want customers to be able to order some SDRAM variants on this board. And here's the variation set up in Schematic editor. Economy variant. Just 8 gigs of 1200 MHz memory, and you supply your own VPP supply off board. Economy Plus. Memory goes up to 1600 MHz, but the customer still has to add their own VPP wordline boost supply off board, and that faster memory needs a capacitor size upgrade. Premium and Premium Plus upgrade that to an onboard VPP supply, and 12 gigs of memory at 1200 MHz and 1600 MHz respectively. So right from design entry you can decide which components get mounted in each variant, and which parts you mount in those positions, even if they're different sizes and use a shared footprint, keeping everything clear and structured until you go to fabrication.